What is trim? Trim is the function, right? Trim is the method here, and this method is going to eliminate the spaces now. Leading and trailing spaces, any spaces in the starting of the string, any spaces in the ending of the string, but not in the middle of the string, only in the starting and ending. We call it as leading, trailing. Leading means start, trailing means end. Leading, trailing. Are you getting me or not? Okay, that is what. So this is how it exactly works to you. Okay. And one, see now if I give space also, his message will come. See, message coming now. Now say again space. Now also message comes. Okay now, but still restriction is not working. Come on, let's do restriction. E dot cancel is equals to true. E dot cancel is equals to true. Guys, you are restricted. You are restricted. Watch it. Got the message? Where are you? You're on the username. You will not be allowed to come out of the text box until you enter a value. You are in a deadlock situation. Do you know that? What is that, sir? Yes. Guys, watch. You cannot do anything now. Did you understand what is restriction now? I am blocking you. You are in a deadlock situation. Enter the name, then only I will allow you to come out. Until then, you cannot do any activity now. Are you clearer? Even you cannot close the function. None of the things are working. If I click on it, telling you can't leave the field empty. Array, nothing is working. Did you understand the restriction? How did you do that? E dot cancel is equals to true. Okay, what is that? I'll tell you. So listen. Some events are associated with properties. Understand carefully. Some events are associated, means not all events. Array, not all events, yeah. What is it? Some events are associated with properties. Okay? If you wanted to access the properties of any event, if available, okay, use the parameter E of event procedure. If you wanted to access the properties of any event that are available, see, all doesn't have. If available only that are available, use the parameter E of event procedure. Okay, remember, as I said earlier, E is of type event args or child class of event args. Already taught you. E is which type? Event args or child class of event args. Are you clear? Okay. Now here, one question that arises in the mind is, sir, you said some events have properties. Which events have? Which events doesn't have? Which events have properties? Which events doesn't have property? Okay, this is the first question. Second question is, how to access those properties? How to access the properties is E will help you in accessing the properties. Are you clear? What is E? E will be an event tags or a child class of the event tags. Either an event tags or a child class. Observe it. This is click event, right? I'm also generating a load event, guys. I'm also generating a load event. Just a minute. I have a load event procedure also. I have one load event procedure. I have a click event procedure. Multiple click event procedures are there. And also I have a lead event procedure. And I have a validating event procedure. See now, look at the load. What are the parameters? First one we know already. Discussion over. Second parameter, look. Event tags. Click event. Event tags. Lead event. Event tags. Now see, validate event. It's not event tags. What is it? Child class. It is a child class. Say right click on cancel event tags and say go to definition. Child class event tags are parent now. See what I said you, it will be event tags or a child class to event tags. Is it clear? Now, what is our main confusion? Which events have properties, sir? Which event doesn't have properties? That's it, no? If it is event arcs, no properties here. If it is child class, have properties. That's all. If it is event arcs, no properties. If it is a child class, have properties. Watch. Go to load event and type e dot. Check it out. Do you have any properties? See, no properties are there. Properties, show is panel icon now. No properties now. Okay, next. Click. Go to click. E dot. No properties. Why? All are event arcs only now. Now come to validating. Come to validating. E dot. There is a property called cancel. There is a property called as cancel. So it is easy to recognize here who have properties and who doesn't have properties. How to recognize? Check the second parameter. Second parameter is event arcs, no property. Second parameter is not event arcs, it's the child class to event arcs. Compulsory properties will be there. Watch. I'm generating another event procedure for key press event here. Which event? Key press. Now tell me, properties are there or not? Yes. What properties are there? Two properties, key care, handle. Key care, handle. Okay, just a minute. I'm generating an event handler for mouse click. Mouse click. See? Mouse event arcs. E dot. Just a minute. 6 properties are there. Got it? Yes or not? Okay. See, remember, the properties of one event are not accessible to another event. Cancel property is accessible only in validating. You cannot use cancel property in some other event. How can, see, you can use your belongings, that's all. You cannot use someone's belongings. Nah. Here also, every event has its own properties. And the properties of the event can be accessed in the associated event procedure. In the associated event procedure now. Okay. Next. See now, listen. Cancel is a property of validating event if set as true will not allow the focus to read. That only I done now. That only now we done e dot cancel equal to true. The focus did not come out. When I did not write e dot cancel, focus came out. Then that stop it now. After I have written e dot cancel equal to true, then the focus is not coming out and it is restricted. Is the point clear, all of you? Yes or not? It is not allowing to come out of it if the e dot cancel property is set as true now. Are you clear about the second parameter? What is the need of the second parameter? The need of the second parameter is to access the properties that are associated with the event. Understood? What is a sender parameter? Sender parameter is to identify the control which is raising the event. When an event procedure is bound with multiple controls. Okay? E is used for identifying the properties that are associated with the event. All events doesn't have property and the properties of one event doesn't match with the properties of another event. Every event has different properties. How to know them? Look at the second parameter of the event procedure. If the second parameter is event arc, so what is the meaning? No properties are there. No. Second parameter looks like a child class to event arcs. Then properties are there. Then there are properties. Right now, we saw 3 events with properties. You noticed it? What are the 3? Validating event, key press event, mouse click event. All of them have properties and they are different classes. What are first class? Event arcs. Under event arcs, we have cancel event arcs. Next, key press event tags, mouse event tags. Here you have a property. What is that? Cancel. And here we have two properties, keycare and deld. And here we have six properties, buttons, clicks, delta, this is button, clicks, delta, location, X, Y. Are you guys clear? Understood or not? These are the different properties that are associated with the events now. Okay, okay. So like this, we can just access the properties of an appropriate event. Like this, we can access the properties of the appropriate event, key press event, mouse click event, all these particular things. Following me? Okay, like this. Okay, I don't want this here just to make you understand I generated. I don't want load event. I don't want leave event. I don't want anything. Just to